Good morning, Jeffrey Friedman, Senior Commodity Broker, RJO Futures, Morning Comments, Stock Index Futures, and of course, the word of the day. And remember, the word of the day is really kind of how the tone is set and a dominating force for what we got. I wanted to come in and say Europe, which would have been the dominating fundamental report, the biggest report we got, and it should have had some impact. But I can't say that as the word of the day because it doesn't seem to have such a big impact. So what I'm going to say is Friday. We're on Friday, and it seems that we can't really get traction up or down. We're kind of digesting all the news. Now, we do have some more news coming out, and I'll tell you about that in a minute. We did get some kind of an announcement from Europe. So the word should have been Europe for the EU and the progress of supervision on banking, direct deposit into European banks, the helping of Spain and Greece, okay, for their situation. And the announcement was January of 2013. Now, what do we have on the docket today? Existing home sales, we're looking for 4.70 million. That comes out at around 9 o'clock Central Time, so be aware of that. Stock index futures are slightly lower. It's kind of mixed. Volume's a little low right now. The one thing we have not touched on is we did have a big thrust in the NASDAQ yesterday, midday to early afternoon, and that was with Google. Okay, Google is now trading, it's slightly higher, and how it will affect the NASDAQ is anybody's guess. But, have said that, I would have to say it's a trading affair. So let's look at the technicals because that should help out a lot in the stock index futures. Take a look at the S&P, December contract. I'm going to raise the bar on a shift, and I've been talking about 1417, 1419, 1421. We're going to bring it all the way up to 1431 as a shift. Right now the bulls are in command. We're sideways to higher moving on the chart, okay? Consolidation pattern, that's where you get that sideways motion. Okay, so if we pull back, we're around 1450. We're down 2 on the day so far. Okay, so if we start to gain momentum, look for support to hold around 31, which was minor support yesterday. It's major support today. A close under that would shift the charts, and then the bears would come in and take control. That would drive us down to the 1418 area, in my opinion. And if we close under 1418, then 1393. On the way up, real quick, on the way up would be, there is a minor resistance at 1454. A nice close over that, and we go back to the old highs and try to play around with the 1466 area, a close over that area, and then we're going to power for the target that everybody's been talking about we never could achieve, which is 1493, and those are your levels. If you're day trading or short-term swing trading and you need tighter support resistance in those parameters that I gave you, please give me a call. We can talk about any markets, fundamental or technical. Remember, always trading futures or option to futures involves risk of loss. It's not suitable for everyone. Please give me a call, and I'll leave you with good luck and good trading.